Hello and welcome back to this final part of this tutorial. In this part of the tutorial, what will we be doing? We have just created the password. So we have just created the password of just length. Now we want to include here our password should contain capital letter as well, not just small letter. So how can we do that? Let's check it out first. That if in request our request is get, so that part I am writing here get in small capital letters, and after get request I want to get from the dictionary values uppercase. So uppercase, their uppercase included. So let's stop here first. I'm writing here pass means that I'm not doing anything out here. So I need to work first here in this home to include that first. So there is a given length, and after length I want to add here one more option. Option should be here in a checkbox. I think I need to add here type checkbox, and its value should be there should be a checkbox, and checkbox should have name, so we can get that name as well. So its name should be uppercase. Like before, we have this name in length, so we can get this name uppercase what I've written here also from this request. So coming back here to this home HTML, and I will need to write here something as well, so that user can know what is required here. So I need to add br as well. So just check it out how it look like. Home page, here you can see uppercase. Now if we click on our generate password button, so here you can see uppercase is also going on. If it is off, we can't get in the request. If it is on, we can get it in the request. So here uppercase equal to on. So what I am writing here in this if condition, that if in the request contain uppercase, so it means the user want uppercase also. So what I will be doing here, I will doing here characters. In my character list I want to extend it, and after extending I want to add here capital letter A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So it should work now. Here you can see here this yellow line, it means it's not according to pip8. So how can I make it? And I came in a shortcut way, code and requirement code, but it's still not working. What it says this shadow name password from outer scope. Okay, password is something that we should not use, but I need to make it something else in the password, or any name you need to change it elsewhere you use. So now let's check it out that uppercase letter are working or not working. So I want 10 character length password, which should include lowercase as well as uppercase as well. So here you can see uppercase letter. I need to make it a little big as well. So I need to include I need to have h1 tag as well. Write it in h1 tag, so it will be there in a good view, so we can see it very good here. So I need 12 length long character password of small letter and capital letter and small letter, and generate it. And now you can see here is the password of how much length you want. Just you can change from here as well. In the URL I want 18. Okay, I want the length of 100. and I don't want upper letter, so you can write here, I think off. I don't know it works or not. It didn't work, but the way it works is uh, just like this. Don't write anything, so it means that they don't want that length. Okay, so after that, as you can see that uppercase works. And now I just want to insert numbers as well. So how the number works, so I need to work here like this checkbox. I need to have a checkbox of number as well, so I need to write here numbers. Also here's numbers, and I need to update here in views as well, so the same condition should work for number as well. So copy paste here and write here numbers, because we are accessing their numbers. So numbers, which numbers are available, I need to have write all numbers. Okay, so now just check it out, that number I included in our password or not. So I need to refresh this page. Here number are coming. I want number as well, and tell 10 character long password which contains small letter number. Let's see, here you can see number. Okay, that's great. And if our length is long, so we can have more number. Yeah, that's what I want. This kind of random password what I want. Our app purpose is that we kind of this kind of random password. The last thing we need to insert is that special character. So for special character, I first need to head here in the home. So I need to duplicate for here and just here write special, and write it here as well is okay. Now I need to have copy paste this as well, so I make it duplicate so it's come on the same line, but I don't want it in the same line, and I just need it to be not indented, and write here special, and whatever special character you want. I just want this special character just for illustration purposes. And let's see how it works. I want a 10 length password, which should I need to refresh past page. 10 length password which contain lowercase, uppercase, number and special character. Generate the password. Now you can see uppercase, lowercase and special character number all at same place. Wow, this was what we want, this kind of application. And what about 50 length? So here you can see your password. This is your random password generator application. So now you can see that your application is working 100%, but what is missing is the styling. Our functionality is completed. Now we just need to have the styling as well in our application, because without styling no one can use it. If somebody have to use it, it should be a little bit fancy, and so that by using it should be easy. So let's I think when I have noticed that when we go to that page and there is nothing to come back to this home page, so I think we need to make one URL that should by that URL we can go to the home page back. So here we need to work on this password HTML page a little bit more, and I should write here I need to make here something write something here write here generate password, or I should write password generated will be right. It's look like better. And now I need to have a button as well here. So button and HTML button, and we should have type I think I should have a submit button. Okay, so I think I should not use button, but instead of button, what about anchor tag? I think anchor tag will be right. Anchor tag, and anchor tag, what I want to run here is this URL I need to go back to home page URL slash home, and now it should write here home as well. So let's see it works. Refresh our home page, and now I will generate our password of this lens and generate it. Here we have a page home, so we can go back. Now it's good, better than before. Now we have password, and as well as we have a return back button to the home. So now our functionality is completed. Now we are need to work on little bit on our styling. So for styling, what we should use, I am using for styling CSS Bootstrap. I think I need to use Bootstrap. It is easy, and it is to integrate as well. Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is the one of the most Bootstrap is very popular for styling. So let's find where is the Bootstrap CSS. I just need CSS, so I can copy it like this way. I think it should work like this way. I need to copy this and add here in our base.html and see. Okay, so let's see it works or not work. Just need to refresh this page. Here you can see everything works just by adding the Bootstrap file. You can see that your text is changed, everything is changed. This is what styling becomes. Styling works the way. You can see everything looks better. Let's add more styling. Let's add some more styling. This should not be in this corner, it should be in the center, so it should look better in the home page. I think I don't need this too much BR. Single BR will be better, I think so. Just trying to look better. Yeah, it's great. So what the next thing is that I need to encapsulate all these things in a div, in a container. Basically we should have a class with the name container. Container. Okay, and a container should this container should have text text center. It should have text center. Let's check it out. It works. Now I need to encapsulate it in a container. Control X and all the way down to here. Now let's just check it out how it's working. It's working in a very special way. So I need to have this button some color as well, so it should look better than before. So I need to add a class as well. Class btn is for button, and button I think primary button will be great. If you are confused that how this CSS styling is working, now you can see how the button is looking very beautiful. Wow, it's great. Now if you are confused that how this Bootstrap styling, you can just come over here, and there are multiple examples and all documentation of Bootstrap from Bootstrap page, and you can learn from here each and everything. So this CSS is out of the scope of this tutorial, so I think it's look better. We need to work a little bit on this page as well, password page. So on password page, what I'm going to do is I also need to encapsulate it in audio and give a class container. So it should be encapsulating container as well as the text should be in center. So by using this div, and the other thing I want is that this password should not be h1, it should be h3, and I need this password should have some coloring. So how its color should be, I think it should be h2. h3 will be too much small, so make h3, and giving here a class alert, and alert success, and let's check it out. It works. I think it didn't work. Why it didn't work? Let's see why it didn't work. So I am wrong somewhere. I think I need to copy from here. There will be some spelling mistake, I think so. So let's check it out. Oh no, it's not a spelling mistake, but something else going on. I need to check it out. What is the problem? The problem is, I think we didn't extend it. We didn't extend it to the base.html. We need to extend it. It should work. Okay, this was a problem, that I didn't extend it. It also need to extend to the main page. So there is no, it can't get that css. Here we have defined out here in the link. So that will be the, yeah, you can see, wow, it's looking great. I need to make this button also look great. So what should I use for this? I think I saw this button also needs some styling. So here I will give class btn and btn what about warning? Let's check it out. It's great. It's a great view. Now you can have check it out your passwords. Wow. So this is basically what our app is all about. Now it's completed. This was our basic Django application. In this application you have seen I think password is too much long. I don't see any password of 100 length, so it should be 40 length. Now yeah, it's looking great. So this was all about password generator app in PyCharm. So you have seen that we all make this simple application, and we know about different things we make in application. We know the outside template folder purpose, and we know about inside template folder purposes as well. So why we make this inside template folder, this folder name also generator, and we make url.py file here as well. This was just for purpose of that this app can be used in any other project as well, just not in this project. So it will be easy when you get this project and copy out there, and by this way it's become portable. But we have just used here url and view, but we didn't work on models because this was the basic tutorial for just beginners and foundation of Django. This is just for those one who didn't know about Django or know very little about that. So this is some formal way of working on Django. So I hope that you will enjoy. If you have any questions or something to improve in these videos, so you can comment, and you can comment me on below. So thank you for watching, and we will see in the next tutorial. We will have some advanced tutorial about Django. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.